I'm not sure if I have mentioned it yet, but I love trend following. I'm a pure trend follower based on the principles of the turtle traders, Richard Dennis, Bill Eckert. And this is what I got teach for my mentors. And this is what I teach my students, pure trend following. And today I want to show you, after we had the day off yesterday in President's Day in USA, the markets will open today again. I want to show you two wonderful examples for pure trend following and what we can learn about that. Maybe there is a next chance. Let's have a look together. We start with applied materials, MIAT, and as you can see here, lovely. Start with the daily chart. Oh my goodness, do you see that? This is pure trend following. So where we are right now, very expensive, $206 point of control, $135, but this is not the point. I want to show you how you can use the trend following principles, Dow principles, with the trend following strategy: buy cheap and sell expensive. Look, that was the second trend arm, and it's so easy to make money with this trend following system when you see the turnaround and you make an entry there and look where the price was on Friday. Yesterday, day off, but that was on what was last Friday. And as you can see, just follow the trend, maybe partial profits, then follow the trend, trail the stop loss, maybe bar by bar. It's also possible. However, if you can see, if you have the perfect entry by rules, not by imagination, not by perception, by real rules, that you always know the right edge of the chart, what to do, how, when, where, and why. So, and then look at this, 31%. 31% during, what is, mid of January. Now we have end of almost, mid of February. 4 weeks later, 30%. 31% just with strategy and pure logic. If you are kind of short-term trader, then look, it was here also possible from trend on number 2 until 4. Again, in the last one, even we didn't know what happened. We can never know what happens in the right edge of the chart. But if you follow the logic of trend following, then look, entry anywhere in trend on number 2, and the markets open on Friday with this one. And that was really, really cool. So you could make, now after the opening, partial profits and trade in stop loss into the profit. Wonderful, right? And just on one day, almost 2 days, here, almost 10%. That's not really complicated, but this is what you can learn if you want. So what to do on the right edge of the chart? Nothing. Just if you are part of it or not. So this is one of the reasons why you have to be a trend follower and to be on track at the right time. And there's another one. It's Eli Lilly. And if you see the daily chart, oh my gosh, look, 10 trend arms, 10. Look, this one, it started here. The last trend starts here in March 23. It was trend arm number 2 here, look. And if you started here, for example, in trend arm number 2, so let me mark it for you, in trend arm by this breakout, for example, trailing stop loss, just only with the 0.3, just 0.3. Look, it's not that complicated. Yes, then you got out here and you make a re-entry here, and again here re-entry when you had this partial profits maybe, and then trail the stop loss in profit, get out and make re-entries here, then you are still here. By the way, that means you had an entry or a profit from trend on number 2 up to here right now, 128%. Guys, this is pure trend following. It's nothing what is something extraordinary. It's really cool, but you have to learn it. If you are short-term trader, then look in hourly chart, same principle. Look in entry in trend on number 2. So there was the first move to trend on number 3, was an increase of 5.3%. Then the price came down deep into the correction, and you have to make a re-entry there, anywhere there, and you could trail the stop loss by 0.3 and 0.3. Look, it's not that complicated. You just have to follow the rules. And there was your another profit from entry here, mid of December in hourly chart. How cool is this? Yeah, and now if you save the profit here, it's 27%, almost 28%. How cool is this? But this is not what you can learn by yourself with trading online or YouTube videos. It's just that you see how it could work. It's not that complicated, even you work with any shares, stocks. Okay, guys, that was my part. The markets will open today, again in America, in USA, and we will see what's going on. But that were today cool examples and why it's a cool thing to learn the trend following system. And this is what I teach you, and I invite you to my community. And don't forget, tonight 6 p.m. on YouTube channel of Sabio Trades, we will talk about how to scale your trading career with prop trading. I hope we see each other tonight or maybe tomorrow with the next video. So have a cool day, and as always, have courage and be kind. And may the force of the logic be with you. See ya tomorrow.